Guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys very simple tutorial how to turn on dark mode or light mode on Discord. So first of all, of course, we have to open our application. This is I open my own Discord, and then what you have to do, you click your profile on the bottom right. Okay, this is my profile, and then click this setting on the upper right, and then you scroll down until you can find this appearance. As you can see, I activate the light mode, so now I want to activate the dark mode. So this is the theme. I want to activate the theme of dark. So actually it's really cool. From Discord there are two types of dark, which is normal dark, like WhatsApp, Gmail, on Chrome, dark Chrome, and then there is another option which is black night. What a good name. I mean midnight. This is really black compared to dark. Dark is, as you can see, it's still some dark gray color, etc. And then for the midnight, it's really dark. Only very tiny line, as you can see here, showing up on your theme of Discord. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.